guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to share with you our grocery haul. This should be enough for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. Probably we'll have to get some produce, but hoping it'll last for 2 weeks. Here is the menu for this week, and these are the breakfasts. So we have breakfast sandwiches, oatmeal omelet, yogurt, and smoothies. And then I have kids lunch, our lunch, and daycare lunch listed over here. And then for dinners for this week, I am making a big Sunday lunch actually, where I'm making a cream of broccoli, soup, ham, and a loaded cauliflower. Then I'm hoping to have leftovers for lunch and dinner on Monday. Beef stew on Tuesday, rotisserie chicken with Brussels sprouts on Wednesday, white fish with risotto on Thursday, and then we're having these meat thingies called cevapi on Friday. And I will have that with a kind of a Greek salad to go with that, and home fries. So let me show you what I bought for that meal plan. So at Costco, I picked up the Vega protein. We needed some Brussels sprouts, and I like buying these because they come already cleaned, so just have to wash them. And I also picked up a brie. So that was at Costco. I also picked up naan and bread from Costco and this toothpaste. And then I went to 2 other grocery stores and a bakery. At the bakery, I picked up some Vienna sourdough bread. I thought that would go well with our dough, but with our stew, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna eat it by Tuesday. And I also picked up some chocolate croissants for the kids and scones, but they already ate the scones. And then the other 2 groceries were Food Basics and Freshco, and I picked up 2 things of cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, 2 things of butter because it was on a really good deal, 2 things of cream cheese, half fat poppy seed because I got kale salad, sweet kale salad dressing, and the poppy seed I will be using is this one because it's less fat for myself. Sour cream, Greek yogurt, granola, and then I got cream and almond milk, big bag of onions, big bag of cauliflower, carrots, cabbage, green beans, coleslaw. And I just make it with oil and vinegar, salt and pepper as a dressing. Some zucchini, spring onion, bag of avocados, and then I got 2 of the cherry tomatoes, 2 of the blueberry, 2 of the raspberry, blackberry, 2 of the strawberry, bananas, pineapple, apples. So, and some kiwi. That should be enough fruit for the week. So I already did the bread. And then bag of potatoes. Ham was on sale, which was great. So I picked up 2 of them. 1 for this week and then 1 for some other time. Bag of milk. And I also picked up this pizza for the kids. And 2 things of 50% less salt bacon. We also picked up a new Nutri-Ninja because we blew the motor of the other one. And a big thing of toilet paper. So we spent, without including Ninja, how much do you think?
$600.
No, seriously.
I don't know. 120.
Plus the Ninja. So $300 plus the Ninja, which was on sale for $139. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, have a wonderful day.